into a world where size really does matter. From colossal excavators to giant industrial titans, get ready to see the massive machines that move our world. Let's dive in. Watch as this giant hydraulic hammer goes to work. First, a worker on the ground carefully guides the heavy concrete pile into the perfect position. Then, the powerful machine takes over, driving it deep and steady into the earth. Witness the intense power of hot forging, where metal is heated to extreme temperatures to make it highly malleable. In this step, a massive hydraulic press shapes the glowing billet with immense force, refining its internal grain structure and significantly increasing its strength for demanding industrial applications. Look at this incredible feat of heavy transport. You're seeing an enormous industrial pressure vessel moving slowly but surely on a specialized multi-axle trailer to ensure safe delivery. This level of precision engineering and complex logistics showcases the sheer power required for modern industrial transportation, moving massive equipment across major roadways. Here's a look at a heavy-duty rotary drilling rig in action at a construction site. You can see the machine drilling deep into the red earth and then pulling up the cylindrical drilling tool to clear out the soil. Massive excavator with powerful steel teeth swings down, scooping up a heavy pile of rocks and earth, then lifts the immense load high in the air to carefully unload it into the bed of a large dump truck. Watch as workers adjust and position these heavy concrete blocks on site using heavy machinery for the lift. This powerful machine is hard at work deep underground, using its rotating drum to tear through the rock. You can see water spraying to keep the dust down, which is crucial for safety in this environment. Ever wonder why there's a deep hole here? This is actually part of a soil sampling process using an auger drill. Before build anything, engineers need to test what's underground to make sure the foundation will be safe and strong. The excavator wedges its powerful bucket into the rock slot, levering pressure to snap the massive stone free from the quarry face. These enormous, flawless slabs, which could be processed into materials like floor tiles, elegant countertops, or exterior wall cladding, are then gathered by workers. This heavy-duty machine is an excavator fitted with a massive ripper attachment. It's designed to fracture and break apart stubborn rock formations and highly compacted ground. This process makes the terrain much easier to excavate or clear for construction and mining sites. Here's a look at the heavy machinery working to keep these roads smooth and safe. You can see specialized trucks applying hot asphalt precisely where it's needed, followed by paving units that ensure an even coat, and dump trucks hauling the materials to keep the flow moving. It's a precise dance of engineering to maintain our infrastructure efficiently. On a bustling demolition site, an unexpected hazard strikes. This heavy excavator suddenly catches fire. Fortunately, a watchful worker quickly steps in, bravely combating the flames with a hose. It's a powerful reminder of the very real dangers these operators and workers face every single day. Check out this Lissibach Maschinenbau baler wrapper in action. It starts with loose forage being loaded into the hopper. The machine then compresses it into a dense block and wraps it tightly in stretch plastic to create an airtight seal, which is essential for fermentation. Finally, the wrapped bale is lifted out and taken away by a tractor equipped with a bale grabber. This heavy-duty electromagnet works by running a powerful electric current through coils of wire, generating an intense magnetic field. This allows it to effortlessly lift tons of scrap metal. When the electricity is switched off, the magnetic field collapses, instantly releasing the load. It's a game changer for recycling yards, making the sorting and moving process incredibly fast, safe, and efficient.